I'm just in love with this adorable boho wall decor set from Jolly Store. I'm Sarah with WTI, and this wall decor set is not only beautiful to look at, it also came well packaged and was easy to hang. I love that it came with two different options to hang these on your wall. One of them is a hook with a sticker, and the other one has 4 tiny pins built into the hook, and you simply hammer it into your wall. Both of these methods I found to be very secure. The artificial grass is so soft to the touch. Just by looking at it, it makes you want to feel how soft it is. The company offers so many different colors and styles to choose from, and it makes it easy to find exactly the color and style that will match your decor. My family and I were very impressed by how well made everything is. We live in a busy house with kids and pets, and unfortunately, some nice things don't stay nice very long. But despite the busy house that we live in, this decor has stayed strong and beautiful. So if you're looking for some stunning wall decor to be the focal point of any room that you put it in, then you need to check this out. And that's my point of view.